Just sugar. Sugar is your caramel, isn't it? You're gonna put some cinnamon to it and water. Then that's your syrup.
Oh, that's the results.
Thank you very much. Really, really appreciate it. Enjoy the rest of your day.
I see feels like it's like opposite. What you know?
Boom. Hello there. Have a taste, sir. You good now? No. Ladies, have a taste now. Thank you. Come on. Emuna, you upgraded to this charger now.
It's the new one.
Yes. Have a taste, lady. Try it. Yeah, have a taste. But the good thing is the same. And there's the people. Very close. You can still one.
Caramelised nut, then one more taste. Hello, hello, give it a taste. That's my day. Combination. Anyone? Better than chocolate, I tell you. It will change your life. Have a taste. Kuku Marawas dark chocolate.
Hello there. Have a taste, buddy.
Exodus.
Hello, ladies. Oh, good on yourself.
Boom. You'll get some vanilla.
Smelling nice. End up telling you about it because
At fire now. I'll be like, check us on YouTube.
chicken and what? Show you this.
That's enough.
Then we can work out. Is enough? Okay, that's like 57. Round it up to 60. Oh, I put a hot one. So there's a cashew. Alright, let me show you that. And you can work around it.
I like peanuts, but I've got it home.
No, it's okay.
The other nuts are nicer.
Yeah, that's why we always do something. We pick it.
Oh yeah, yeah. Actually, D-Man wants to see. Cashew. Boom.
What's that?
Hello, welcome back. I'll give her a bag here.
Oh, yes, please.
That's macadamia, coated in cinnamon and caramel. So? Yep.
Is that okay? Better macadamia. Yeah.
Where's the cashews?
$70. Yeah. 70.
My name is William Mwape. Yeah, I'm working for House of Nuts. So what we're doing here, we have caramelized nuts, we have cashew nuts, macadamias, pecans, and a mix. So the coating is the same, which is cinnamon, caramel, and some vanilla. So different nuts, same flavor. Yeah, we at Irene Market. We here every Saturday. So you guys must come on Saturday. Every weekend, Saturday we here. Yeah, come see what we got here by House of Nuts. Yes. Have a nice day. Which one?
The camera's there now.
Oh yeah, guys, catch us on YouTube. See what we eat. Please, guys, subscribe.
Put a like there.
Put a like there.
So that you can see what we do, what we make, how we serve it. Yeah, beautiful things out there, yeah?
Don't forget about the notification.
The subscription.
Subscribe so that you must see more videos that we upload. So yeah, thanks guys. We on. Yeah. My name is William Mwape. Yeah, I'm working for House of Nuts. So what we're doing here.